Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide from your friends on the marketplace on Facebook website. So now the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So after you go to your marketplace, all you need to do is to go to the selling profile. So you click on selling and then you will go to the listing that you want to hide from your friend. You go to edit listing and here down and here in the privacy, we will find something that is called hide from friends. And basically all you need to do now is to enable this option, and as you can see this listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on the Facebook marketplace, and by that your friends won't see this listing on their marketplace. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.